engine number 5 in the most beautiful garage. So I've got a fuel filter battery, I put the starter on, bleed the system, and see if my timing's right in the cam belt. That is the sound of the engine stop being actuated. Right, this is the tool I hope to start it with. Let's have a look. Yeah, probably the best way to fix a Piaggio, because they're so low to the ground. They're fun, but they're really low to the ground, so it comes in handy now for sorting engines out for some Piaggio. You can take the mechanic up the garage, but I guess you can't take the garage out the mechanic. Classical. Yeah.